So what's the primary consideration that you should be thinking about before you start your next home remodel job? 3 words: ROI, return on investment. And it might not be what you think. ROI, when you're thinking about projects at the house, have to take into account 2 things. Primarily, a factor of what is your goal? Is your goal to maximize increased market value? Are you getting ready to go to market? Or is your goal to maximize your enjoyment living in your house? Sometimes those things have a totally different value. So let's think about it first. Market value. Your primary consideration if you're trying to maximize market value is maximize cost recovery. If a project costs me $1, can I get $1 or more back from that project? If you're trying to maximize your enjoyment, you're trying to maximize your joy factor. Your joy factor is a very subjective thing. Obviously, what it's going to bring maximum joy to you in your house is different than what it's going to be in my house. Dogs are a big thing in my house. So my joy is going to probably be maximized by increasing the dog pleasure and making sure that family stuff is going to have a lot of fun. But statistically, what is the answer? So let's talk first about maximizing market value increase. Where are you going to find the greatest cost recovery in the projects? So let's start with